with Off Leash Canine Training here. The video you are about to watch is an after video of a 1.5-year-old German Shepherd named Meisha. Meisha came to me about 2 weeks ago for our board and train program. Prior to coming in, she would oftentimes take off on her owner's property. They grow grapes, so they have thousands of acres that she kind of just roams. I guess she went missing for a couple days prior to her board and train program. So the first couple days for her and I, she spent really trying to get away from me. She's very flighty in new situations, very unsure of herself. The owner complains just that she wasn't really strong and obedient. She wasn't a bad dog necessarily, a little bit protective in their home environment. When I did start taking her out, I noticed that she is a little insecure on people as well. So really she just needed some help getting out and about, reassuring her that she was doing the right thing and building a little bit of her confidence. So we've got her on the right track for her owners to continue her work and to make her better from here. So go ahead and check out her after video that we've got ready for you guys, and make sure to check out our other ones on our YouTube channel as well.